Hello guys, welcome to my channel Introvert Excel. Today, I am going to explain how to split merged data into separate columns. Now first select the data. Then go to Data tab, and then click on Text to Column. Then a dialog box will be appeared. Then click on Next. If you observe here in my data, I have comma as delimited value, or we can say separator, so here I selected comma here. If any other delimited or other separators you can select based on that. For other, I have provided example delimited vales or separators, and you can enter values in others dialog box. After that, click on Next. And in the destination blank, select the destinated cell where you want the data, and then click on Finish. Then here you go. If you like this video, please support with like and subscribe.